All right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of my pick one. This is the one that includes the two Mike Daniels 11 by 14s. So we'll check the time, September 22nd at 6:08 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have September 22nd at 6:08 p.m. There is the list of our 15 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason. Spot 8 is your winner. So, Jason, please get with me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, September 22nd, 6:09 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.